Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Alawati World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable do not track in Google Chrome web browser. So for this case we will go to the Google Chrome. There I have embedded or pin in my taskbar. Here this I will go to the three bar icon, not bar icon, this is the 3-point icon. So here we will enter the settings option. In the front page we will get the lots of modules. So in module privacy and security we will click and we will go to the third-party cookies. So click here, scrolling below here the advanced option. So send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. Sites use their discretion when responding to this request. So it has off. Now I want to on these sessions. So see here what have there have do not track. That means the enabling do not track means that a request will be included with your browsing traffic. Any effect depends on whether a website responds to the request and how the request is interpreted. See, for example, some websites may respond to this request by showing your ads that are not biased on the other website you have visited. Many websites will still collect and use your browsing data. So for example, to improve security, to provide content, service, ad and recommendations on their website, and to generate reporting statistics. So if you want to know more, so here the right button and learn more, here the details thing here that you want to know more, it is coming. See, the support.google.com, here the description has been here. Also there have the step by step they have follow the things. See, in this way we can do these things. So we have to do the confirm. See, so first we have to allow and then confirm, then the thing has been okay. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.